Hi crafty friends, it's Rick. I'm back with another video, and today is a special video because it's part of a video collaboration hop with other members of the Pixi Dust Designs video team. And we are all featuring products from the brand new Pixi Promises Release that went live on today, June 8th. So we're each sharing a project using the products from the release, or at least one product from the release. I picked the die set of The Lord is My Shepherd, which is this fun little, The Lord is My Shepherd is the sentiment, Psalms 23:1, has this cute little lamb. And I'm going to pair that with the Bella Flowers pattern paper for my project today. If you want to see the rest of the release, here's a look at it. We have the Walk by Faith die set, has the Walk by Faith sentiment stamp, and it's the little shoe with flowers, little Converse. The next one is God Will Meet All Your Needs. This has a stamp set. I got a sample, so I didn't get the stamp set with it. Mine didn't come with it. Yours will if you order it. And it looks like a beautiful hummingbird with this floral. And the stamp is God Will Meet All Your Needs. And then the next one is You're the Light of the World. And it's Matthew 5:14. It's this beautiful lantern set with floral. Then we have He Fills My Cup with Grace. And it's a pumpkin and a Bible or a journal or a book, however you want to make it, with a coffee cup. And it says He Fills My Cup with Grace. I think this would be great for fall. That's what my plans for it is. With that pumpkin and the coffee cup, I foresee some pumpkin spice going on. And then we have the Be Strong and Courageous stamp set from Joshua 1:9, where the sentiment comes from. And it's this lion jumping over sunflowers. So that is the Pixi Promise Release. You'll see examples of projects using the die sets along the hop for the Pixi Promise Hop. To be entered to win a $25 store credit at Pixi Dust Designs, you will want to hop along the hop, leave a comment on each stop, and on June 15th, the winner will be announced over on the Pixi Dust Designs YouTube channel community tab. I'm not sure what time that will be announced yet. It will be announced on the 15th of June. So you have until before that to comment. So you have until the 14th to comment for your chance to win along the hop. And we're going to get started on our project. So I have already die cut all the parts and pieces for my little lamb. And I'm going to add a little bit of ink shading to him. So I've got let me turn this over so I can see. I've got my little lamb's body, his little head, the tail. I want to add a little bit of shading to that so that it has a little bit, it's not just plain. So I'm just going to add a little bit of a soft gray color around my die cuts. And you will be able to hop along with the collaboration hop. There will be a link in the video description below that links you to the next person on the hop or the playlist that has everyone's video attached to. You'll find that in the video description below. So there's that. So I'm going to move that to the side. And we're going to do his little face and his little feet. And I just realized what I thought was eyebrows are actually part of his little hooves. So that makes more sense now. All right, I'm going to take a light brown ink and I'm going to add just a little bit of shading to my feet and his little face. And if you look on the feet, it says front, so you know to put that in the front, and the one in the back you put in the back. So we're going to add just a little shading around his little face here so we can have a little dimension on our die cuts. And then I have where'd my grass go? I have my little grass layer that I'm going to add a little bit of shading to as well. just to add just a little bit more color to him. So there's that. I'm going to move this out of the way. It's going to go back over in my container. So that's going to be part of our card. And we're going to go ahead and build up our little lamb. So we're going to start off with his little face. And let's see, I need my reverse tweezers. I'm going to go ahead and layer up his little face. And actually, I think we're going to layer up his little... We'll add his ears first. Oops. We drop his little ear. It's going to go right there. A little too much glue. And then this one goes over on this side. I'm just seeing which way I need to lay that on. There's his little ears. We'll go ahead and add his little face. Right over that section right there. And then we're going to layer up his little eyes first. Let me see. Where's my pickup tool? We're going to go ahead and hit the white of his little eye onto his little face. Get our second eye. So I'll go ahead and add a little liquid glue behind it. And we will stamp our sentiment before we put everything together. And we have two parts of his little eyes. You have the white part, and then you have the black layer that goes over that. We're just going to add a little bit of liquid glue. There are two sets of eyes, or not two sets, but two different eyes. So the larger one goes over the larger circle here. And then you have the other eye that layers on top of this. So we will layer that on. Then I will add a dot, a little bit of glue right there for his little nose. And we make sure we have that turned right. I will pop that into place. Then we've got to do his little feet. So I add a little dot of glue here. That largest one over on this side of his little hoof. And then our next largest one will go next on the front one. So I add that on. And there are etch lines. Remember, with any of the Pixi Dust Design dies, there are etch lines, so you know where everything goes. We have our second set of hooves. So we'll go ahead and add that on to our little lamb's feet. We'll add the last one over there and get that lined up. Then we will add a little liquid glue to the top of his little feet right here. And we're going to tuck that back behind our little lamb. We'll add the front feet. So we'll add a little liquid glue to the top of that. And we are going to stick that right in there. All right, we've got his little tail. So I will add a dot of glue to the back of that. And we can add his little tail back behind him. And then we have the top of his little head, which is right there. And I'm actually going to add thin foam squares behind it to pop it up just a little bit. So I'm going to pop on a couple of my thin foam squares. Get those backings off, which give it a little dimension. I'll add some liquid glue back there. And then we're going to add that. We'll line that up over his little head. So there's our cute little lamb. I'm going to move this out of the way. I'm going to stamp my sentiment next. So there's that. I'm going to take and grab my stamp positioning tool, pop my little piece of cardstock in there for my sentiment, and we are going to take our sentiment. We'll pop it on here. I was going to say, if I measured right, it should be fine. I'm going to ink that up using VersaFine Clair Nocturne ink. This is a nice black ink. We'll stamp that down. And I'm going to flip that over and do that one more time, since we had a little smush onto our M. And stamp that a second time. We have a nice, good impression. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and remove our sentiment, and we will start building up the layers of our card. All right, so for my card, I have a top folding A2 card base. I cut a piece of the Bella Flowers pattern paper to 4 by 5 1/4, and I'm gonna mat that on a piece of green cardstock that's 4 1/8 by 5 3/8, so that we have a little separation. So we're gonna go ahead and add liquid glue to our pattern paper. And I will add that to my matte layer. And we will go ahead and add this to our card base. So we just have a very thin border around our card front. I have a piece of the Bella Flowers pattern paper. I cut it down to 3 by 3 3/4 with a matte layer of 3 1/8 by 3 7/8 of that same green cardstock. So we'll add this layer together. And we will add that on here. That's going to get layered onto our card there. This is a layer for my sentiment. My sentiment was cut at 1 1/2 by 2 1/4 with a 1 5/8 by 2 3/8 mat. So I'm gonna go ahead and add this on and make sure I got the right one. Go ahead and layer that up. There's that. And then I have a piece for the inside of my Bella Flowers pattern paper. I'm gonna go ahead and layer this together. It's just a 3/4 by 4, and I cut a piece of the green cardstock to 1 inch by 4 1/4, so that we could tie our inside of our card into the outside of our card. So let's go ahead and add that on. And we'll go ahead and add this to the inside of my card, just at the bottom. So there's my inside. We'll go ahead and attach our piece of matted pattern paper here. That's going to go right up there. I want to bring that up just a little bit more. About right in there. We're going to get that in place. We're going to go ahead and put our sentiment on, or line it up anyway. We have a piece of the pattern paper cut at 1 1/4 by 1 3/4. And what we're going to do is cut a banner. So I'm going to come up the center and cut a banner layer, or a banner, fishtail banner. And I'm going to add liquid adhesive to this. And I'm going to slide this right behind our sentiment. And then I'm going to take and flip that over. I'm going to take some foam tape and add behind my sentiment. And we'll add a couple little small pieces behind that banner as well, so that everything is the same height. Before we tuck in our focal panel, our tweezers, we will add our liquid glue behind this onto our foam tape so we can wiggle this around a little bit. And we're going to come off to the side just a little for our sentiment. Then we can go ahead and add our grass. And I'm only going to add adhesive on that bottom section so that I can tuck my little sheep in there. So we'll go ahead and add that on right there. We've got our little sheep. He's gonna go right in there. And we also have his little shepherd's crook. So we can add that on. Over on this, now we're gonna go this side. We'll take it back over here. And then I will take and pop my little sheep up with a couple foam squares. I'll add it right next to right above our sentiment. I'm gonna add just a little bit of highlights to our little sheep. So I'm just gonna use my gel pen, add a couple little highlights to our little sweet little sheep and our shepherd's crook. All right, my friends, here is a look at my finished card for the Pixi Promises Video Hop using the Pixi Promise new release. This is the Lord is My Shepherd stamp or die set and stamp set. You can find all the supplies linked and listed below, as well as the link to either the playlist or the next video in the collaboration hop. I will see you in the next video. Bye guys, stay crafty, love you.